Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Super happy to see everyone here. Guys, for today's episode, I would be collaborating with Bagsho and they have sent me a 1997 Sequin Fendi Baguette bag. I'm so excited. I would be doing an unboxing, then I would be doing a review afterwards. I'm going to do mod shots. Also guys, definitely I would be providing my honest opinion about this bag. So if you want to find out everything about the 1997 Sequin Fendi Baguette bag, please stay tuned. Hi guys, Ron here, Sequin Budgetarian Fashionista. I publish vlog every Wednesdays and Saturdays about latest about fashion. I do luxury shopping vlogs, hauls and unboxings. I also do bag reviews and provide styling tips. I'm inviting you to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon here, so please click on that one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please like and share this video and follow me on my new Instagram account, that's at RamiraPie2, for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. Hi guys, so we are going to unbox now this gift that came from Bagsho. Later I'm going to provide their information, plus would be putting it on the description box below. So this came in yesterday, so I would like to check and share to you the unboxing. So here is the box. Here is what the inside looks like. Here she is. So at least the packaging looks nice. So it shows here, and it says here Fendi. So this is Bagsho details. So they're the one who sent in this bag for me, so I could review it with you guys. So it also has this details over here. So these are nice. So it has this. It has the all of these information, even comes with this one. This comes in this envelope over here. Now let us focus on the bag. I'm removing the says here Fendi Roma. I'm excited actually guys to see this. I have personally requested this style of bag because when I have seen it at our local Fendi store, I fell in love guys, like head over heels, but it's too expensive. It's around almost $4,000 US, and I couldn't shell that money as of the moment. Oh my god guys, let me just put it here. Here she is. Oh my god. Holy wow. OMG. Wow. Holy crap. OMG guys. This looks amazing. Holy wow. So it comes with the strap. Later I'm going to check. It comes stuff like this. The inside guys. OMG. Wow. Wow. So as you can see, OMG guys. So you can see Fendi. And here, it looks so good. It says here Fendi. The screws are okay. They're good as well. And so what I got guys is the Fendi Sequin Baguette. OMG guys, this looks really good. OMG. Let me just check it first one. Alright guys, so let's take a closer look. So again, what I got is the, if I'm not mistaken, the name of this one is 1997 Sequin Fendi Baguette bag. So this is the almost exact same bag that Carrie Bradshaw wore at the Sex and the City series. Plus it made a comeback as the Just Like That film. So like what I've mentioned, I have tried this one at our local Fendi store, and OMG, I fell in love with the sparkles and the sequins. And OMG guys, I would be honest with this one. This bag from Bagsho, OMG. OMG, she is so good. I'm having a Samantha Jones moment. So let's take a closer look. So this is, I've already removed most of the plastic film. So here is the FF logo. So this is the front. So as you are going to notice, guys, how amazing they have made this bag, because it's so good, because you could see here it comes with this very beautiful sequin detail. So this is the front, this is the side, the back portion, the bottom part, the top part. So let's talk about how beautiful they have embellished this bag. As you are going to see, it's the same with the authentic one, because it has the beaded on the sides here, as you are going to notice. Also here, super good. Then on the inside, guys, when I have opened this, so as you are going to see, this is the magnetic closure, same magnetic closure, plus this one is actually extra strong. Here is the top part. As you're going to notice, you would see Fendi here on the screws. Then this is the inside. What I love about this bag, it doesn't come with any strong smell. Good job, good job. And this is the inside. It's made of satin. So here is the logo inside. So this is genuine, it has genuine leather trims. And I didn't know this about this new 1987 version, that it comes with 2D rings. So it comes with these ones. So this, you could attach a longer shoulder strap, so you could crossbody this bag. And then it comes with the original one, and then the original one swivels like this, because the original or the vintage from the 1997, this doesn't swivel. So I like that the new version actually swivels. OMG, super beautiful bag. OMG, guys, OMG, this is really beautiful, with all honesty. Such a beautiful bag. Alright, so guys, finally I was able to unbox this, and you have seen and heard my expression. Honestly, I wasn't expecting that it would be this good. So I was totally caught by surprise, and to be honest, I wasn't expecting, but this made me happy. It made my heart sing, because you know, as you can see here, guys, it looks so beautiful. I'm going to put photos here that I'm getting from Fendi.com, so we can do a little bit of comparison from the real thing. But so far, guys, yes, of course, I'm not, you know, an expert in authenticating a Fendi Baguette bag, or any luxury bags for that matter. But guys, with all honesty, I could say that with the construction of this bag, it's gorgeous. It's a really beautiful bag. They have used super wonderful and very scrumptious leather. So the leather trims that they have used, it's super soft. It's almost the same as my Fendi Baguette bag that I got from Fendi here. So just for comparison, guys, this is my micro Fendi Baguette bag that I got from our Fendi store here. So this is the size comparison. I believe the length of this one is around 26 centimeters in length. So as you're going to see, so later we are going to do more mod shots. So also I was impressed that if we are going to look, you know, from all angles, so like for example here, the construction of the sequin, it's like it's stitched individually, so you are not going to worry, like for example with wear and tear, some of the sequins would fall off. Then of course, guys, just look at the yellow gold hardware, how good it is after I have removed the plastic film. I think it is my weakness for anything gold, anything sparkly. Then of course, you are also going to notice, I've also mentioned this a while ago during my unboxing, that on the sides here, so we are going to see that it is also beaded. There are rice beads here on that detail. This is the side, and as you know, it swivels like this. And then of course, looking at it one more time, so let me just open. There, so this is the satin lining. And also guys, when I have opened this one, I have seen that there is like the Fendi sticker. So here, there is the authenticity thing, and then there's another label of Fendi on one side. One moment. There, so it's on the inside pocket, guys. Alright, so guys, look, so I have attached my Fendi Baguette. So we have now a mommy baby Fendi Baguette here. So remember, guys, at Sex and the City, Samantha Jones purchased a replica Fendi satin gold bag, which she brought at the Playboy Mansion and got lost and was stolen. I think this is like my Samantha Jones moment, because to be honest, she is really beautiful. I'm not really sure if I'm going to use it, but honestly, I'm super tempted because that's how good she looks. Guys, here are some mod shots for you. So again, the size, the length of this one is around 26 centimeters. So the setting of this one, I have put it, so she actually has 3 settings, but I would be using the shortest setting, so you could still carry her underneath your arms like this, or you could carry her at the crook of your arm. And of course, you could carry her, for me, my favorite way to carry her is a top handle bag. And of course, guys, the strap is fully detachable, so you could carry her as a clutch for an evening event. And she comes with the D-rings on the sides here, so you could attach a strap and carry her as a shoulder strap. Guys, here I am using my vintage Fendi guitar strap here. So if you have any straps from any of your bag collection, then you could attach it like this and carry it as a longer shoulder bag, and definitely as a crossbody bag. What do you think, guys? Here she is. Carry her as a top handle with a longer strap. I love it, guys, with my attachment of the micro baguette. She looks really cute. What do you think? Alright, guys, so what is my final verdict with this 1997 Sequin Fendi Baguette bag? So me, guys, personally, of course, and definitely I would still prefer if I could get it from the Fendi boutiques directly. But if, for example, you don't mind getting the next best thing, I think this would be the best bag for you for a couple of reasons. Of course, as you could see here, she is so darn gorgeous. So this is the second bag that I got from Bagsho, and honestly, the first one didn't blow my mind away, but this one, OMG, she is really beautiful. The materials that they have used is top notch. So I can compare here, like the leather on this one, then the leather of my Fendi Baguette. It's the same. It's super soft, super scrumptious, like I want to take a bite. The construction that they did as well, the attention to details, the very beautiful yellow gold hardware all around here. So again, guys, so this could be the best bag for you. Guys, if you love this Fendi Sequin Baguette bag, I'm going to link Bagsho's account on the description box, plus they have given me a discount code. Please check that out. So what do you think of our Fendi Sequin Baguette bag? Please be honest, guys. Please do comment down below of what do you think of this very beautiful bag. Again, guys, I'm inviting you to please join our ever-growing family by clicking this cute little icon here, so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please like and share this video and follow me on my new Instagram account, that's at Ramiro52, for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. A million thank you, guys, for staying with me in this unboxing and review session. I'm going to leave a couple of videos here for you to check out. Please stay safe. I'm going to see each and every one of you soon. Bye!